guess the kids like the carpet. They like the new carpet. Look at that. Let's go look at the rest of the house. Here's the kitchen. But watch out for this, guys. They found more water, so they couldn't put more water in here. Look. There's more water all right here. It's wet. They're going to have to come dry it. So they couldn't do the carpet today.
Oh, Mommy.
In here first.
Whoa.
Water came all the way over into this room that they didn't know about, so it didn't get dried. So they didn't get to install carpet. So come close the door. Yeah, come on, baby.
You get to come up here.
New carpet on the stairs.
Yeah.
They didn't vacuum the stairs. Here's the nursery. Here's the nursery.
How about my room?
Aubrey.
Upstairs.
Ethan, y'all go across and look at Jesse's room. More nursery items. Wonderful. All in the dormers. They're all stuck. And here's some more nursery items.
I'm itchy on my back.
In the bathroom.
Whoa. Why are those in the bathroom?
Just because. Here's Cheslin's room. More of the... So yeah, this is a chaotic tour. I will not stay closed, but this is a lot of the nursery stuff here. And you know what? Why didn't they move that back? They're going to move it back when they come back and finish, I guess.
It's fun.
Yes, it is. So y'all can run back and forth. That's our chaotic tour before we finalize. So it's going to be a couple, 2-3 more weeks, I would imagine, because we've got to do some more wall cutting and stuff because there's going to be wet. So it was just a little update from SillyConeBaby and family. Part of the family. Thanks for watching.